Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin, and we will be using the kit from Glam Planner. This is called Kokomo, and this is the Biddy kit. And I mentioned in my last plan with me that Biddy kits are actually very good for this kind of spread that we're going to do. I also pulled this washi strip that matches this kit. So if you'd like to see how that page will look like, it will actually look a lot like this. Then make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay, let's start with the Glam Planner Kit first. So this is once again the Biddy kit. The Biddy kit comes in 2 pages only. And the first page has your not double box, but full boxes, a bunch of icons. You have a build due, a stackable sidebar, and these quarter boxes, appointment labels, and you have 2 decos here at the bottom. This is a very summery kit, which is very far away from the weather that we have right now, and I feel sometimes when the weather is a little too cold, I like to be inspired by art that represents warmer weather. So this is a completely functional second page. You have 2 sets of half boxes, flags here. You have your checklist, a nope sticker, a bunch of glitter headers, and some more quarter boxes or appointment labels. Well, I think these are quarter boxes for realsies. And this is a close-up of the washi design. And this is an add-on that is designed to be used if you are a ring-bound planner user. You can put this at the side of the page. This is 2 long strips and then a bunch of tinier strips here at the side. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. So these are the tiny strips and these are the 2 long strips. Okay, so I also pulled this washi and I'm gonna be using this washi. Hopefully it will be not too bad. So let's go ahead and start with the washi. Let me find where it ends. Oh no, I don't know. Found it. I didn't bring all of my washi with me, which is such a shame because now I've been using washi for the last 2 spreads and I miss them. So the function of this page, so this is actually the daily pages of the Hobonichi cousin, and I'm using it as a to-do list because the weekly I am using as a schedule tracker. So I want to have a different space for my to-dos, and it has worked very well for me. And then as an overview, I use my oh no, you can do this. I put it at the wrong spot. Oh no. That's fine, it's gonna be covered up anyways. It's a little crooked, but I don't want to damage my page any more than necessary. I'm gonna do the same for the bottom bar. I forgot. So let me scoot you on up. Oh, before I do that though, I'm gonna go ahead and put down, what did I do the last time? Oh, okay. I just layered it. Oh, so this goes at the bottom. I'm gonna have to repurchase washi soon. So I'm running out. I have all of my washi at home and I never use them. Now that I don't have them, I need them. Okay, so I'm hoping that this is long enough because I only have not very much of this. And then the other side. So this washi sample is completely done. I am very happy about how this looks. Could even work for this spread as well, but oh well. So now we're going to put down this strip and the other. Oh, I'm sorry. Here you go. That's why I was feeling a little weird. If I wanted, I could also put this down, maybe build something over here, but I don't think I have enough. Okay, so now we're ready to play around with our glitter header. Yes. Okay, so I have 7 here, and what I do is I just write down the days on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down over the number 6. I'm just gonna follow the arrangement from the kit. I'm skipping 2 boxes over here, and it's gonna look like an A5 spread, definitely. I have been waiting to use this spread for a while because I just love how it looks. I love the colors. Basically, I love everything about this. Ugh. Before I put this down, I'm going to go ahead and put down the flags. So I'm going to put down 2. One of them is for this because as you can see, it's sticking out. And I'm just going to align it with each other. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this. There we go. And it's a very good marker as well. And then I think I put this over 0. Okay. And I think this is a very good time to use these little strips. Once again, over 0, but a little under. And because this is a little too long, I'm going to go ahead and snip off a little bit. And then I have this, the same length. Nope, still too long. I think this is also long. This the right size. No, this one is a little too small. I think this is the right size. Yeah. And then the last one. Move 2 boxes in. And there we have it. You could also use this instead to put down your dates, but not every single strip or side washi has white background, so that's why I tend to use these. Okay, so this is gonna be for next week. It's only Thursday, so I don't really know what's gonna go down. But I'm going to go ahead and put down my checklist flags because that is an overview of all the things. So I'm just going to put this on the space in between. I do have a little thing here and I might just put a deco down. Actually, let's do that now. I'm going to use this beach one. Great. Oh, sorry. Now I'm going to go ahead and put down the rest of the checklist flags. So this is the operational part, really, the one that gets used or filled out every day. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the other deco. This is a little big. Hawaiian sunscreen. I always use sunscreen like every day. My favorite one is a Korean sunblock called Dr. Jart. I got it from the Face Shop. So I snipped off the top of this and I'm only using the bottom. I'm going to do that also for this last flag, checklist flag. Okay. And now we're going to put down these boxes. I'm going to go ahead and put this beach house down on Tuesday. And this is where it gets very decorative. I'm going to go ahead and put down the weekly overview and then put a half box here. I think this ombre one, like watercolory one, matches the flags so well. We're going to use that. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this other half box and put it down here. Looking really good. So now I'm going to move on to Wednesday. I know I have a flag for this. Okay, here we go. So this is from the Pride Rock kit. I got the mini kit for this. I filmed the plan with me and it refuses to upload onto my computer from my iPad because it was an hour long. I'm also going to be taking this bill due from the kit. That's what happens. Paydays are usually followed by bill dues. Ooh, I wished I layered this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is snip off the edge of that, but it won't work in that angle. So this is how much I need to... Okay, I'm just gonna cut that with my scissors because it did most of it well. Sometimes it don't always work. All right, looking pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to put down this little beach cabana. I don't know. And put it on Thursday, just up against the decorative washi that we put down earlier. And then I'm going to take a half box. I'm going to take the orange one because it matches it perfectly. I still have one left, one full box left, and I'm thinking of using it on Saturday or maybe here. Okay, I'm gonna put it, okay, I'm gonna put it here. All right, hang on, let me go switch this. I don't like switching angles, but I kind of have to, as it will not work if I don't. Oh, that's pretty. I can always use this here at the bottom because I don't have a weekend banner. Anyways, I like how that looks. So I'm going to take this yellow box, yellow half box, and put it up against this little thing. And then we're going to build this using our decorative boxes. That's not much of a contrast. I don't know if I like it. No, I don't like it. Let's take this yellow one. Oh, I should have put the blue one here. Oh well. And then this here. I don't really know what's gonna go down next week. It's only Thursday, as I've mentioned. That's why I'm a little bit all over the place. But I have to get this filmed right now because I have a meeting tomorrow that I need to prepare for. So this yellow quarter box label, appointment label, I'm also going to put down. And last, I'm gonna put down this blue half box. Oh, I should not have done that because now it's gonna go over. I'll just layer that. Okay, no. Sorry. Go back, go back, go back. All right, it won't go back. I'm gonna go ahead and put down, will it match? So this is from the Sherbet kit. No, I still have these anyways. And this has a lot of blue. So the striped one is perfect. All right. So I'm really liking how this looks. I still have a lot of stickers left. And I also pulled some from my last plan with me. Like you've seen this. Oh, I'm definitely going to use this. Icons. I have a sheet of the quarter boxes just in case. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward mode and come back to you with a pen spread. So I'm going to be using this pen. This is the Papermate Ink Joy Gel 0.7. Okay, so this is what we have now, and I am done with the pen. So this is as far as I will go today. I just wrote down August 2019 and then all the dates and the days of the week, and then I put down a few things like the script stickers for when I want to go grocery shopping. I also have this little motivational section for coffee time. I need that right now. I also have this. So this is going to be a small weekly assessment so that it doesn't really pressure me. But at the same time, it's maybe something that I read. It's a productive week. Good job. Everything will be okay. Things like that. That's very important, I feel like. And I want to try that out. I also put down a few icons here and there, and I wrote down a few things. I have treat yourself over at Sunday, and then here at the bottom I have a tracker for Instagram because I haven't been very good with that. All right, so this is the spread that we have now. Once again, this is the Kokomo spread, and this is my to-do list overview for the week. I mean, realistically, these are a lot of to-dos already, so I kind of feel like that is enough for me for this spread, and all the other things are just reminders of things to do, and I guess that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow us on our social media. We have Instagram and Facebook, which is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. Oh, I forgot to show you the leftover stickers. By the way, this is from the Pride Rock kit, and I'm almost done with this sheet. I only have 2 little stickers there. And then this is the Kokomo second page. I still have a lot of icons and everything. First page of the Kokomo Bitty kit. And this is the other page. I do have these stored away so that I can pull from it whenever I need to, like today. I did pull a little bit of stickers from a bunch of other places like these ones. So if you have leftover stickers, it is a very good idea to keep them for future spreads. So next time it's going to be back at my Hobonichi weeks, which is my all-time favorite planner for a while now, I guess. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!